Good news. I got my bag in! Coronavirus. Coronavirus! It's airborne, everybody, okay? It cannot be living on a box. People, please. I'm so excited. Oh my God. This is such a good day. This has been the best day. Since I met my man. OMG, it's kind of small. So now I'm like, okay. So let me give the backstory of this. So I thought that this would be at the store that I got it from, but it wasn't. So it took like 7 days. And it just took a long time to get here. This is the On-Go Louis Vuitton, okay? So I'm gonna sit down so I can do a complete unboxing for you guys, okay? This is a very adorable bag and I love it. I did just think that it would be a little bit larger. This is the On-Go bag. So I thought it would just be a little bit larger, but it's super cute. It's red on the inside. Now that I have seen it, because I didn't actually try this on in the store because they didn't have it. It had to be ordered. I would have went with the larger one. The larger one was pretty expensive. Like, actually, I think it was like around the same price or close to it. I'll add the prices in there both and pictures of both. But this is it. It's very cute. It's super adorable. It can either be worn like this by the handles, or it also comes with these two straps. So it could be like long ways or short ways. So like day and then night. So this bag retailed at about, I think $26.50 or somewhere around there, like with tax. And yeah, it's super, super cute. I love it. And I'm so excited to style it and wear it. And yeah, so I just thought that it would be so much bigger. But yeah, it's cute. I really like it, and I just thought it would be bigger. Like it's kind of, I mean, like I just thought it'd be just a little bit bigger. Like, let me look at the tag. So there is a tag in here. Let me see what it says. It is the On-the-Go Yeah, so it actually retailed at $25.30, but with everything it was like $26.50. Sorry, I'm like chomping gum right here, but yeah, so this is the Wow, so the GM, but I've seen the GM and it was just like too long. I don't know, I just didn't like it. You all let me know what you think. You all let me know what you think, and I'm gonna model a little bit for you at the end, and just let me know what you think down in the comments below. I have been waiting for this bag for about 8 days now. I'm so happy it came. Let's do another test. Let's see how much stuff it fits. Let's see how much stuff it fits. You know what I mean? Maybe it looks small, but it's, you know, compactable. I'm definitely gonna need to order like that little red compactable thing from Amazon because it has like no pockets. It only has these two little half pockets that not even no one's iPhone can probably fit in anymore. It has this little zipper right here. And it has, you know, it comes with the cards. Yeah, it's an It comes with this little hook. You can put your little keys on here. Excuse my lashes. It's really cute though. It's super cute. It smells, you know, like Vuitton. So here's my purse filled with the things I usually carry in it. I have a book, I have my wallet, I have my hand sanitizer, my mask, a little bit of a mini deodorant because I live in Arizona. I have my little lip gloss purse. I have my little camera, keys, everything. So the thing I will say is when you do fill it all up, it does feel like you feel the weight. It feels like everything that's in there.